In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use time tracking in Logseq. If you're looking for a quick, dependable way to capture when you start working on something, Logseq's built-in journaling flow makes it simple and consistent. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to open the right page, add a clear start time, and use the / menu to insert the current time with precision. First, open Logseq. You can use the desktop app or the web app. Either way, the process is the same. Make sure you're signed in and your graph is loaded so any notes you add will sync with your existing pages. From there, head to your journal. The journal is the daily page Logseq creates for you automatically, and it's perfect for time tracking because each entry is anchored to a specific date. This keeps your timeline clean, chronological, and easy to review later without any extra setup. Now, type in your start time. Keep it simple and consistent so it's easy to scan. For example, you might write start 9 o'clock a.m. or start 09 o'clock. The exact format is up to you, but pick one you'll stick with. If you prefer 24-hour time, go with start 09 intro. If you like 12-hour time, include AM or PM. You can also add a short description on the same line to remind yourself what you're beginning, like start 9 o'clock AM. Research. Staying consistent will make your journal much clearer at a glance. To capture the exact moment without typing it manually, use the / command to insert the current time. Type a / to open the command menu, then search for and choose current time. Logseq will drop in a precise timestamp pulled from your system clock. This is great when you want accuracy down to the minute and don't want to second guess whether you typed the time correctly. You can combine this with your start label in one line, for example, like start / current time writing draft. If you don't immediately see the option, just continue typing current time after the / to filter the menu. That's the core workflow. Open Logseq, go to today's journal page, type your start time, and use the / to insert the exact current time when you need it. Over time, these entries create a reliable history of when you began work each day, all organized by date and easy to reference. Keep your format steady, add brief context when helpful, and you'll have a lightweight time tracking habit that fits right into your daily notes. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, clearer way to track your time in Logseq.